Hi, what's up everyone? Did you know that most e-bike riders lose up to 20% drivetrain efficiency just because of dirt and grime buildup? Yeah, that's right. A clean bike doesn't just look fresh. It runs smoother, lasts longer, and performs way better. So in today's video, we're diving into the top best e-bike cleaning kits you can buy on Amazon. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend trail shredder, these kits are about to become your best friend. All the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. So let's get started. On number 6, the bike cleaning kit with cleaner, degreaser, oil, and brush tools. Let's kick things off with a seriously practical all-in-one cleaning bundle. This kit packs a 25-ounce cleaner, 10-ounce degreaser, and 2-ounce lubricant, making it a solid foundation for regular e-bike maintenance. The highlight? The chain cleaner tool that clamps directly onto your chain. Just pedal backward, and it scrubs every nook and cranny, mess-free. The cleaner easily handles everyday dirt, while the degreaser cuts through heavy grease like a pro. Compared to others on this list, this one offers amazing value for beginners. You're getting all the essentials for the price of one muck-off bottle. However, the brushes and chain scrubber are made of lighter plastic, so they may not hold up for years of intense use. Still, it's the perfect entry-level kit that'll keep your drivetrain running smooth without breaking the bank. If you're new to bike cleaning, this is your go-to starter set. On number 5, the bike cleaning kit with chain scrubber and chain lube now. If you're looking for something that focuses more on the drivetrain, this kit has your back. It includes a chain scrubber, brush tool, degreaser, and chain lube, all designed to target the dirtiest part of your e-bike, the chain and gears. The chain scrubber tool is simple yet genius. It locks onto your chain, and with a few back pedals, it blasts away old grease and grime. Performance-wise, this kit is neck and neck with the number 6 option, but it skips the larger 25-ounce cleaner in favor of compact convenience. While both offer budget-friendly solutions, this one shines for those who prioritize chain efficiency over full-frame cleaning. However, the tools here are also plastic-built, so expect lighter durability. Still, for quick, deep cleaning and improved shifting performance, this kit earns major points for simplicity and cost-effectiveness. On number 4, the complete bike cleaning kit with wet lubricant and chain scrubber stepping things up. The number 4 kit delivers more volume and versatility. It features a 19-ounce cleaner, 10 to 19-ounce degreaser, and 2-ounce wet lubricant, plus a chain scrubber and cleaning brush. Compared to the previous two, this one brings heavier-duty cleaning power, especially handy for those who ride in wet or muddy conditions. The wet lube adds long-lasting protection, keeping your drivetrain silky smooth even after rain or puddles. While the tools are still plastic, their design and efficiency make them more than capable for routine maintenance. Think of it as the perfect middle ground, more professional than the earlier picks, yet still affordable. If you're after a complete, clean and protect setup, this one gives you serious bang for your buck. On number 3, the bicycle cleaning kit with chain cleaner, brush, and maintenance tools. Here's where the competition heats up. This kit offers large chemical volumes and durable cleaning tools, making it a step above standard sets. The chain scrubber and degreaser combo goes deep, stripping away stubborn residue that simple wipes can't touch. When compared with number 4, this kit performs almost identically, but leans slightly more toward value and efficiency. It's designed for those who want professional-like results without spending big on muck-off or park tool gear. The 19-ounce cleaner and 10 to 19 ounces Degreaser allow multiple washes before restocking, and the wet lubricant seals everything with a protective coat for smooth, quiet rides. The downside? The tools aren't built for heavy commercial use, but for e-bike owners who clean regularly, this kit is unbeatable in terms of value and performance balance. On number 2, the bike chain cleaner, set with 300 milliliters, cleaning spray, and 100 milliliters. All right, now we're talking about volume and practicality. This kit includes a 300 milliliter spray cleaner, 100 milliliter chain lube, and a full brush set, offering better longevity and convenience than most budget kits. The chain scrubber tool delivers powerful internal cleaning, and the brushes reach every tight angle of your cassette and derailleur. What sets this apart from previous kits is its bigger lube bottle, making it ideal for frequent riders. It's slightly less chemically concentrated than high-end degreasers, but still does an impressive job against tough grime. When stacked against the earlier options, it wins in chemical quantity and ease of use, but the tool quality is still entry-level plastic. Overall, this one's perfect for beginners who want a reliable, long-lasting kit without overspending. On number 1, the HENMI Bike Cleaning Kit with 500 milliliters, Degreaser, and 100 milliliters Lube. And here's the champion. The HENMI Bike Cleaning Kit blows the others away with its massive 500 milliliters, Degreaser, and 100 milliliters chain lube. That's double, or even triple, what most kits offer. The powerful Degreaser effortlessly melts away stubborn gunk, leaving your drivetrain spotless and your ride whisper quiet. Its sturdy, well-made brushes feel far more durable than most budget competitors, giving this kit a longer lifespan. Compared to number 2, the HENMI set offers stronger cleaning power and better tool quality, making it ideal for frequent e-bike maintenance. While the all-weather lube can attract dust in dry climates, it's unbeatable for those riding through rain, mud, or snow. Simply put, if you want professional-level results at a budget price, this is the kit to get. So, there you have it, the top e-bike cleaning kits you can buy right now. Which one do you think deserves the crown? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and as always, all the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and happy riding!